All right, you all. So what me Madre is engaging in right now is overwinterizing the plants. And what overwinterizing is when you what do you do?
Getting them ready for the spring.
And so what do you
Plant it.
and what does that mean? Consist of?
These are geraniums, and I have my elephant ears right there.
Mm-hmm.
So what I do is I take them out of the pot, take the dirt off of them, cut off any dead branches,
Mm-hmm.
and any dead flowers that I have, and I put them in the house. I put them in my basement. You can put them in the basement or the garage.
So do you just like put them like that? Like you just cut them off and like hang them,
I
or
put them like this. This is my 3rd year with the geraniums. I have not bought any geraniums in 3 years.
okay, all right. So they'll automatically come back.
Come back in the spring.
So are you saying that you can just pull up the geraniums and just dry them out?
Dry them out.
Just set them on the table in the basement.
What I do is any flowers that's in there, I take them off, and dead leaves, I cut them off. And I leave nice green.
So are those going to die out anyway?
They're going to go into doormat.
So at
Flowers
the
go into doormat like the trees, and
so after winter is going to they're gonna all be brown like they're dead, and you just replant them.
just replant them.
Man, I did not know that. So all of these plants can you do that with all plants, or you're not
No.
sure?
Not all plants.
Oh, I didn't know you could do that with geraniums. So you're gonna do all of these plants over
I'm
here?
going to do those, and I'm going to do my elephant ears. You can do most of your bulbs, just like you do your bulbs.
Okay. Okay. Nice.
And then the way I store them, you can either store them in a box,
Store them in a box.
or you can store them in a bag.
How are you gonna store yours? In a box or a bag?
A box.
Some boxes.
Yep. I have some boxes. I have white ones, pink ones, red, and I'm gonna put it back in my pot. For
Oh, you gonna keep the same pots too?
keep the same price and put it back in the pot.
Okay. Nice. So that way
They
you
got
just
good roots on them. They got good sturdy roots
okay.
on them. And I have several pots. You can put either one, or you can put two. You can put how many you want into your container.
So this is like your 3rd year doing it, you said?
Yes.
Nice.
3rd year overwintering.
Welcome you all to our channel. I am Monique D. Welcome if this is your first time joining us, and welcome back if you are a faithful viewer. We definitely appreciate you. Koko the Yorkie. Here is Koko the Yorkie. Say hello to the people. Right now we are in the middle of October. And hey Koko. We are in the middle of October, and it's about 40 degrees outside, I would say. And yeah, we just prepping so that way when we come back, not that we're going anywhere, but when the season loop back around, we'll be able to have everything where it's easy to plant. Right now, me Madre is actually, what is that called? Deadheading the plant.
Yes.
Taking off all the old flowers.
And the old leaves.
And the old leaves.
I'm gonna leave these right here. They got everything I'm going to do in there.
This fire is something else. They got the little ashes blowing. Okay. Sound like a squeaky tree over there. Well, so how long does it take to do one of them? Because you'll be out here forever if you have all these to do, right?
Well, I have.
How many did you do already?
There's 2, and that's 1 pot.
So what do you do with these elephant ears? Do you deadhead these as well?
I do the same thing with the elephant ears. I would cut them. Cut them down.
Oh, you just cut it all off?
Yeah.
Oh man, that's so pretty. You just throw that part away?
You can just throw away. If you don't have no bugs, insects, or anything, you can put these in your compost.
Oh, nice.
Okay. And then you see how it's alive. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out the container, just like I did the geraniums, and we roll it first to loosen it. I use my grow bags because they're easy for me to handle.
I see.
They're lightweight, and they like to be snug.
So what are you going to do with this soil?
I'm going to save this soil, and I'm going to amend it for next year.
How are you going to store this soil? Like, you just going to keep it?
I'm going to put this in there. This has a nice roots. This go into doormat also.
Are you cutting all those roots off?
I'm not going to cut the roots off. Nope.
How many of these elephant ears do you have? I know this
I
is
started
one
off
pot.
with 2, and I have 6 now.
So is this considered one? I see it's like...
This is 1.
Okay. And... Oh, and they multiply?
They multiply. They have the babies. And the root ball is under here. There's a root ball under here, right there. That's the root ball. And that's what we plant in the spring. Get as much dirt off of it as you can. And this also going to be stored in a box or a bag. You can put it in your garage.
But you put yours in your basement.
I put them in the basement.
And then you just plant that and water it, and
Just plant it.
a month
water.
later it's like a brand new.
Right.
Oh,
So
nice.
what I do is I'm going to leave this out and leave my geraniums out until all this starts getting dry. And then I'm going to store it. So this will be out for maybe a couple of days. Just out in the open for a couple of days. Got nice roots and nice root ball.
Nice. I know nothing about this, you all. Nothing.
Every year I have the outfit.
Koko the Yorkie, what are you over there doing? Come here.
Okay.
Over there eating the dry.
Okay. And put this back in here until I get ready to dry it out.
Okay, cool. Well, thank you for sharing that process with us. And then I guess at the end of the beginning of the spring season, we'll come back and see how you actually plant them, I guess.
Yes.
Nice. How did you find out about this?
One of my neighbors told me we would swap plants
Uh-huh.
during the spring and during the summer. We do all our plant swapping, and she told me that I can save my geraniums, and she told me how.
Been doing it ever since. Man, the stores be getting over on us, and we don't know, right?
And it's almost like you got free plants.
How much are one of these geraniums, like this one right here?
With that one, that might be maybe $29.
Depending on where you get it from.
They are very high. You can get some cheaper than that. The smaller ones, like this one. The smaller ones, like this one. I paid a little bit less for that, but you got 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, you get 4 in that little small
I got
pot?
4 in that small pot.
Nice.
That fullness, and that's really nice.
I'm gonna add to your fire.
Okay.
From you all, the free compost, not the compost, but the free wood pile, the free wood pile. And if you have not seen that, I know I'm stacking this wrong, but if you have not seen that, go and watch that video. And this right here, look how dry it is. It's super dry. And I know I'm kind of putting the fire out by just laying it on top. Hopefully it catches on. But it's been drying out. It's dried out. It's been dried out from last season. I know I gotta get some air through there. You all, I know nothing about starting fires. Clearly. However, look how dry it is. Yay! And I always use that voice. I don't know why. But you all, thank you so much for hanging in there with me. Happy fall, y'all, as they say, or whatever time you are viewing this. Thank you all for hanging out. Thank you, Madre, for explaining that to me. Koko the Yorkie, she is walking around. But until next time, you all. Yeah, have an amazing day. Cole, why are you about to eat that? See how I caught you? Caught you on camera. What are you doing? Cole, give me that. Don't growl at me. Let me see. Don't do that, Cole. Don't do that.